Have you ever wondered how effective teaching strategies can transform learning? Today, we explore two powerful educational models: reciprocal teaching and mastery learning. These approaches can shift how students absorb information and enhance their learning outcomes. Reciprocal teaching aims to improve reading comprehension using metacognitive strategies. It focuses on 4 key actions: predicting, questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. Through these activities, students engage deeply with texts and develop critical thinking skills. On the other hand, mastery learning emphasizes understanding over memorization. It allows students to progress at their own pace until they demonstrate full mastery of a topic. This model creates a supportive learning environment where all students can succeed. Let's break down reciprocal teaching step by step. First, teachers model the strategies, demonstrating how to predict, question, clarify, and summarize a text. Next, guided practice happens in class. Teachers help students apply these strategies together. Then comes reciprocal practice. Students work in small groups, taking turns leading discussions. This promotes ownership and encourages peer feedback, enhancing their understanding. Finally, learners practice independently across various texts, reinforcing skills learned. Now, let's talk about mastery learning. The first step involves defining clear learning objectives and breaking subjects into manageable units. Teachers introduce new content through clear explanations and guided practice, ensuring every student comprehends the material. Next is formative assessment. Teachers assess student understanding through quizzes or tasks. If some students haven't reached mastery, corrective instruction follows. This could include additional practice or peer mentoring. Once students achieve mastery, they can advance to the next unit. This cycle ensures that all students have the chance to succeed, promoting equity in the classroom. To illustrate, imagine a classroom using both models. In one lesson, students first practice reciprocal teaching by discussing a challenging text in groups. They sharpen their comprehension skills while actively engaging in discussions. Later, they switch to mastery learning, where they receive tailored support to master a math concept before moving on. In summary, both reciprocal teaching and mastery learning offer valuable benefits. Reciprocal teaching enhances comprehension and metacognitive skills, while mastery learning ensures every student achieves necessary competencies. Together, these models create a dynamic learning environment. Are you ready to implement these strategies in your teaching practice? Start by exploring more resources on reciprocal teaching and mastery learning today. Your students' learning could greatly benefit from these approaches.